Production planning and control (PPC) is the process of coordinating and controlling how an organization makes goods or service. The main purpose of this study is to gain a better understanding of the operation function of a business of a company. Second, to introduce production and planning tools and techniques. The third purpose of this study is to acquaint with strategies for developing and managing high-performance teams. The survey was conducted by visiting SBTech Group Sudamhal physically and collecting information regarding the company's operation function.
The examination of business operation for the purpose of achieving objectives, increasing productivity, and maximizing profitability is known as operation management. Operations management is a branch of management that oversees the entire production timeline of a service or product from the input stage to finish stage. Operation management refers to ongoing tasks performed by an organization that result in a recurring, long-term output like providing service or producing goods. Operation management seeks to maintain important quality standards while ensuring that daily operations are efficient, timely, and cost-effective. Hence, in this report, we are conducting our finding by focusing on the company name SBTech. These are the company profile of the company. SBTech Group, named after the late MSB Toh, was established in 1977, is expanded from import and distribution company to a large-scale manufacturer of self-adhesive tape in 1988. In short, SB Tape has benefited from its continued R&D efforts as well as the consolidation of cutting-edge manufacturing resource, profound industrial knowledge, and dynamic marketing strategy. SB Tape Group's business is mainly focused on the three markets, which are the for quotas, for jumbo converters, and for retailers. For quotas, SB Tape supplies superior pressure-sensitive adhesive, PSA, and acrylic-based products. For jumbo converter, SB Tape Group manufactures and export jumbo rolls around the world. Lastly, for the retailer, SB Tape Group assists the marketing oriented to meet retailers' strategies in stringent control of product presentation and packaging detail and marketing on wide product variety. While for the products, SBT Group's products are primarily producing standard tapes and many more. Here are the list of the products made by the company.
There are three areas that are in particular highlight at SB Tape Group. First is the process. SB Tape Group uses only biomass, a renewable energy resources to power up their coating machines and adhesive manufacturing. Next is the products. They consistently look into areas that they can improve environmental feature of their products. And lastly is the manufacturing environment. They reduce and recycle waste, and also they implemented scrap ecosystem management. The transformation process involved at SB Tape Group are paper cone making, adhesive production, coating, slitting, and also quality control. Paper cores are lengthy cardboard tubes that withstand external pressure well. At SB Tape Group, the paper cores are used for winding self-adhesive BOPP tape. The type of process implemented for adhesive production is continuous production. There are few steps in the production method of adhesive as stated. Coating process consists of applying properly formulated glue that provides the film with specific properties. The end product of coating process is jumbo roll. Jumbo roll is the semi-finished product and will be sent over to converting department for slitting process. The type of production of jumbo roll implemented in SB Tape Group is batch production. The monthly production capacity of the coating department is more than 350 containers of jumbo roll per month. The coating process at SB Tape Group is semi-automated. Slitting process consists of changing the jumbo roll to small, finished BOPP self-adhesive tape rolls that depends on the customer requirement. The end product of slitting process is small, finished BOPP self-adhesive tape rolls. The type of production of small adhesive tape rolls implemented in SB Tape Group is batch production. The monthly production capacity of the slitting department is more than 120 containers per month. The slitting process at SB Tape Group is semi-automated and fully automated. At SB Tape Group, the quality control is done by batch. Samples of each batch are sent to the quality lab to conduct tests and inspection. Examples of quality improvement tools used by the quality team are Kaizen, Ishikawa diagram, and also failure mode effect analysis (FMEA).
For the supply chain, SBTech Group company is currently using paper integration business strategy to expand its business. They make their own jam roll production from raw material in the coating department and supply it to the converting department for further process. The jam roll is also imported from China to produce specific tape required from customers. In its view, the company used outside supplier for raw material production to support its business. In addition, the company distributes their product itself to customers and also use the third-party logistic distribution. There are several reasons SBTech choose to use template integration. The first one is to take advantage of the economy of scale that come with controlling a key part of the supply chain, like the production of raw materials. Second, to get a better handle on the quality of the raw materials it used to make its product. Third, to expand its operation to include over the production and distribution of its products, but only up to a certain point in the supply chain. And lastly, to help save money, improve quality control, and give access to the specialized resources, among other things. Then, the reason why SBTech Group may choose to use the third party for container distribution, the first one is to access the specialized expertise and resources that may not be available in-house. Second, to take the advantage of economy of scale. By working with a third party that handles container distribution for multiple clients, a company may be able to reduce its costs and improve efficiency.
Next is the green manufacturing. Green manufacturing is the process of implementing the renewable production, sustainable and environmental method for the manufacturing company. SBTech use the biomass energy to produce the electricity for the whole factory. They successfully reduce the carbon emission by automating the production processes on the large scale. Next, the SBTech demonstrate responsibility on their own base and production that is sustainable. They utilize the various waste management techniques such as recycling, reselling the excess inventory to the vital store, and establishing a line of eco-friendly items.
There are three future recommendations that I would suggest SB Group to enhance and modernize their production. First of all, I would suggest them to replace biomass energy completely with solar power. By practicing solar panel system, tons of air pollutants can be blocked from escaping to the environment, which will fully reduce the carbon emission. Thus, the air pollution can be prevented. Besides, the return of investment of fully powered solar system is higher in long-term vision. Hence, it is easier to combat the rising energy cost, and the maintenance cost of the solar panel is also low. Next is replacing labor-intensive process with fully automated process. For instance, they can use robot arm to perform heavy duties and automatic barcode scanning machine with managing system to track the outgoing and incoming parcels. This will improve the efficiency and quality of the work. This initiative will benefit SB Group by reducing the operating costs, and the workers will be safe against the hazard of the factory environment. Moreover, implementation of fully automated machines increases the return of investment since the rate of production is increased. Lastly, create a system for maintenance management. A scheduled maintenance with complete database is required to maintain the efficiency of the machines. Some major and minor services have to be done on daily basis. A complete database will create a future reference for the technician, and the machine downtime can be reduced as well. Routine maintenance also can reduce the risk of accidents which may cause fatality. Hence, unnecessary expenses can be avoided as well.
For the conclusion, SBTech Group team perform the reactive, preventive, and condition-based maintenance. This strategy improve the employee morale, reduce opportunity cost, enhance client impression, and reduce waste. This method also can prevent the unexpected downtime of the machine. Regarding the quality control, SBTech team send the sample of each batch to the laboratory for testing and inspection. Next, SBTech Group use the depot integration concept as its supply chain. They utilize the green manufacturing concept by integrating biomass energy to give electricity to all industrial sections. Thus, it is demonstrated that the effective supply chain strategy and the usage of the green manufacturing enable SBTech to effectively manage the client order and formulate the production strategy that meets all the customer requirements.